We're out here camping in the great outdoors, and my chair had fallen apart, so I decided to get a new camping chair. I went with this one. It can hold 600 pounds, so no matter how much of the cobbler I'll have tonight, I think I'll be okay in this one. So let's go ahead and open up the box here. What I liked about this is it's great reviews, but it also is small. They said it's as small as a drinking bottle, so I don't know if it's that small, but it's pretty small. As I can see, it's already about half the size of the other chairs I've had. I suspect it opens a little differently. So it is in a nice bag, and this is a ripstop nylon bag. It's a nice bag. And then we have the hook and loop here that's attached. And let's see. Oh, look at that. It just pops right open. So it pops right open, and I think you're supposed to extend it. Yep. So you just extend each of the, I guess you call them legs. And then the back is a little taller. You set down in there. It's nice and strong. Very nice. I'm very impressed. Hope this helps.